Hello guys, my name is Veronica. Welcome to my home sweet home, Dulce Hogar. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we have roast beef. As many of you know it, it's a English traditional dish, of course. Today I'm showing you how my husband and I prepare it. Let's get started. Thank you. So my husband marinated the roast beef a day before. This is the ones that we found. You can buy something like that. They're already wrapped around with that rope that you guys see. So now we are removing it from the bag, and we just want to make sure that it's not really soaked because he injected the butter a day before. This is how he did it, and I apologize that we didn't record that. This is the butter that he uses. Yeah, like I say, this is how he butter it, and we forgot to record that, so we're showing you using somebody else's video. I apologize. So it's ready. First thing to do is preheat your oven to 350 Fahrenheit, and we're also heating up the oil, and it has to reach the above 300 before we can even insert it into it. So we're checking on the temperature. Everything is ready. We're just waiting for the temperature to reach up to 300 Fahrenheit. This is the oil, is peanut oil, as you can see. So we are inserting it right now, and for every pound there is a 4-minute cook time. So this is a 4-pound roast beef, so we're leaving it around 16 to 17 minutes in the oil. As soon as it's done, we will take it out and put it into the oven for another 30 minutes. Okay, time up. It's 16 to 17 minutes past, and this is ready to go to the oven. First of all, we need to wrap it around with foil paper so it keeps the moist and the goodness. So we're doing 2 roast beef chunks. This is the second one. I'm cleaning it up so there's nothing leaking because it's going into the oil. This one is a little larger. It's like 6 pounds, so it will stay there for in between 22 minutes to 24 minutes. And there it is. Okay, it's ready to come out, and this is also going into the oven for this one is going for an hour because it's a little larger. And we're also wrapping it around so that all the moist can stay in it. Alright, so our roast beefs have been in the oven for between 30 to an hour. We're checking temperatures. The temperature inside should be between 130 to 150, depends how well you want it. For people who likes raw medium, the center part is really good. You will see in a minute. And all the outside of the outside part should be well done. That's my favorite. For my husband, he likes the raw, the medium raw, that the one that looks still pink. My preference is well done, but it tastes really good though. I taste it and it tastes really good. The medium to, or raw medium, or whatever you call it. You guys know better than me. I'm just trying to narrate this video and everyone taste it. Everyone can add salt and pepper to their preference. That's why my husband only inject the butter, the goodness of the butter inside, but salt and pepper wasn't added. So it was up to everyone's preference to add the amount of salt and pepper. This was done for New Year's Eve and we liked it so much. And it turned out really good. As you can see, this meat is delicious. It tastes really good and it smells really good. I was very pleased with the results. You can eat it with vegetables, a salad, mashed potatoes, broccoli, asparagus, all the goodness in here. Oh my God, it was amazing. I had the time of my life. This is the second one. Okay, so this is everything for today. Please subscribe and hit on that like button if you like it. Follow me on my social media. Thank you so much. We'll see you on our next video. Hope you guys enjoy. Thank you. Bye bye. Love you.